This is Eugene, Oregon, where every train coming through town is required to blow its horn a minimum of 4 times at each of 10 train crossings, disturbing the peace for countless Eugenians. Unlike over 500 communities elsewhere in the United States, including in the state of Oregon, Portland, Salem, the Dalles, Pendleton, Columbia City, and West Fur, Eugene does not have a designated quiet zone that prevents the routine blowing of horns at railroad intersections. It's time for Eugene to get on board with the rest of the world and get a designated quiet zone so that people in Eugene can live a decent life without being interrupted hundreds and hundreds of times every day by the blasting of these train horns right through the middle of downtown. I'm taking my earplugs out now.